Welcome back to the Tool Crib. Today I wanted to show you a gift that I got for my wife. This is called the Opret Micro Pill Fob. Now my wife suffers from migraine headaches, and for that she gets prescribed Imitrex. And oftentimes she forgets to throw her Imitrex in her purse. And so I decided to get her this little key fob, this little pill fob, so that she would always have her medicine on her. So when those migraines come on, she can have her medicine readily available. Now, this one is made out of titanium. There is other versions, size versions of this. This is the micro. They have a mini. They have several different, like 4 different sizes. So they just get larger as you go. There's also an American-made one called the Gus Micro Pill Fob, which I really liked as well. It runs about $20 on Amazon. And it's made out of surgical stainless steel. But the good thing about that one is it has some the knurling on the body of this, so it's actually a really nice key fob, pill fob as well. Now the size of this, first of all, the weight. It weighs 7 grams or 1/4 of an ounce. It is very, very lightweight. This is a standard US quarter, just to give you a size comparison. It's about 1 inch in overall length. Now the interior portion of it is about 7/16 of an inch by 7/16 of an inch for storage capacity. And I've put a couple of her Imitrex in here, as well as a bit of cotton in there to keep them from rattling around on her. Comes with an O-ring seal. It is waterproof. It's just a fabulous little key fob. I just love it, and it's perfect for her to carry a couple of her extra Imitrex with her. Now, you don't necessarily have to carry this on a keychain. This can be done, you put this as a zipper pull on your luggage for when you're traveling, or they include a little necklace as well. They also include a couple of replacement O-rings, as well as an additional smaller keychain if this one is too large for you. This is a very, very good product. It just fits her needs perfect. The reason I went with this one was because of the fact it was titanium. I do like that Gus Micro Pill Fob, and price-wise, only $3 difference in price. But this is just perfect for her and what she needs it for. And again, there are varying different sizes of these things. And there's more than just a couple manufacturers. There's multitudes of manufacturers of these things out on the market. I'm going to put some links in the description for the Opret and for the Gus, as well as a couple of others that I really, really liked. For those that definitely need to carry some medicine with them, this is a very, very good option. And like I said, for my wife and her migraine suffering, this is just a perfect solution. Well, my name's Ben. You've been watching the Texas Tool Crib and my little overview of the little Opret Micro Pill Fob. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you in the next one.